Hello students, welcome to KPS Study Tutorial. एबे आमे षष्ठ श्रेणी इंग्लिश पर लेसन 2 द फुलिश सन इन लॉ पढ़िबा. There was a village quack, a fake or false practitioner. एकदा एक ग्राम रे जने वैद्य बा नकली डाक्तर थिले. He also trained his son to be a quack. से मध्य निज पुत्र को से वैद्य काम शिखाइले. One day the father-in-law of his son had a fever. दिने वैद्यଙ୍କ पुत्रर ससुरଙ୍କୁ जर होइथिला. He therefore sent his son to treat his father-in-law. तेणु से तांको पुओ को तांकर ससुरर चिकित्सा पई पठाइले. When his son was about to leave, he gave him some advice. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ପୁତ୍ର ଯିବାକୁ ବାହାରୁ ଥିଲା ସେ ତାକୁ କିଛି ଉପଦେଶ ଦେଲେ. Listen son, common sense will make you a great doctor. କ'ଣ କହିଲେ? ଶୁଣ ପୁଅ, ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ତୁମକୁ ଏକ ସଫଳ ବୈଦ୍ୟ କରିବ. Simple common sense, ସରଳ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ବୁଦ୍ଧି. Then he gave him an example from his experience. ତାପରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତାର ଏକ ଉଦାହରଣ ଦେଲେ. Once I went to treat a patient. ଥରେ ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ରୋଗୀର ଚିକିତ୍ସା କରିବାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲି. I saw banana peels, banana skin under his cut. ମୁଁ ତାର ଖଟ ତଳେ କଦଳୀ ଚୋପା ଦେଖିଲି. banana peels ବା banana skin ହେଉଛି କଦଳୀ ଚୋପା. Then testing his pulse feeling, I said, you must have taken banana. ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କର ନାଡ଼ି ଦେଖି କହିଲି ତୁମେ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କଦଳୀ ଖାଇଛ. That is why you have a bad cold. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତୁମକୁ ଏତେ ଜୋରରେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ଧରିଛି. The patient and his father were surprised. ସେ ରୋଗୀ ଜଣକ ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ବାପା ଦୁହେଁ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହୋଇଗଲେ. How could I tell from his pulse that he had eaten banana? ମୁଁ ନାଡ଼ି ଦେଖି କିପରି କହିପାରିଲି ସେ କଦଳୀ ଖାଇଛି ବୋଲି. In this way, using my common sense, ଏହିପରି ଭାବରେ ମୁଁ ମୋର ଉପସ୍ଥିତି ବୁଦ୍ଧି ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରି I became a very famous doctor. ମୁଁ ଏକ ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ଡାକ୍ତର ହୋଇପାରିଲି. Therefore, son, use your common sense. ଏଣୁ ପୁଅ ତୁମେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଜର ଉପସ୍ଥିତି ବୁଦ୍ଧି ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରିବ. The son went to his father-in-law. ଏଥର ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘରକୁ ଗଲେ. He saw him lying on a cot. ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ୱଶୁରকে ଖଟ ଉପରେ ଶୋଇଥିବାର ଦେଖିଲେ. Under the cot, a cat was sleeping. ସେଇ ଖଟ ତଳେ ଏକ ବିରାଡ଼ି ଶୋଇଥିଲା. Now he wanted to use his common sense like his father to become famous. ଏବେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କ ପରି ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରି ପ୍ରସିଦ୍ଧ ହେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ. He took the pulse of his father-in-law for some time and pretended to think. ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଶ୍ୱଶୁରଙ୍କ ନାଡ଼ି ଦେଖି କିଛି ସମୟ ଭାବିବା ପରି ଅଭିନୟ କଲେ. Then he said, ତାପରେ ସେ କହିଲେ, Father-in-law, you must have eaten a cat. ବାପା ଆପଣ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ ଗୋଟେ ବିରାଡ଼ି ଖାଇ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. Which is why you are running a high temperature. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଏତେ ଜୋରରେ ଜ୍ୱର ହୋଇଯାଇଛି. Do you want to read a similar story? Here is another for you. ତୁମେ ଏହିପରି ଆଉ କାହାଣୀ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛ କି? ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଏଠାରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ କାହାଣୀ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି. A son-in-law after his marriage was planning to visit his father-in-law's house for the first time. ଜଣେ ଜ୍ୱଇଁ ବିବାହ ପରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ଥର ତାଙ୍କର ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ବାହାରିଥିଲେ. A man from his village gave him the advice. ତାଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରାମର ଜଣେ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପରାମର୍ଶ ଦେଲେ. Use big and high sounding words in your father-in-law's house. ଶ୍ୱଶୁର ଘରେ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ କଠିନ ଶବ୍ଦ ପ୍ରୟୋଗ କରିବ. Always sit on a high place. ସବୁବେଳେ ଉଚ୍ଚ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ବସିବ. First say no to any food given to you. ଯାହା ବି ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦିଆଯିବ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଖାଇବାକୁ ମନା କରିବ. ଆସ ଆମେ ଏବେ କିଛି କଷ୍ଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ର ମାନେ ଜାଣିବା। କ୍ୱାକ୍ ମାନେ ଠକ ବୈଦ, ଟ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ମାନେ ପ୍ରଶିକ୍ଷଣ ଦେବା, ଫାଦର ଇନ୍ ଲ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଶ୍ୱଶୁର, କମନ୍ ସେନ୍ସ ଉପସ୍ଥିତ ବୁଦ୍ଧି, ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଅଭିଜ୍ଞତା, ସରପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ଡ ମାନେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେବା, ଲାଇଂ ମାନେ ଶୋଇବା, ପ୍ରିଟେଣ୍ଡେଡ ମାନେ ବାହାନା କରିବା। ହୁ ଆର୍ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟୋରି? ଦ ସନ୍ ଇନ୍ ଲ and a man from his village are there in this part of the story. What was the son-in-law's plan? The son-in-law was planning to go to his father-in-law's house for the first time after his marriage. Who advised him about some do's and don'ts at his father-in-law's house? A man from his village advised him about the do's and don'ts at his in-laws' house. Make a list of all the advice. Following are the advices given by the man. Use big and high sounding words. Always sit on a high place. First say no to any food given to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.